now. It's your turn.
What?
It's your turn. We are at Walmart Park. Yeah, what are you doing? Tap it! So I need to tie my shoe. This is deja vu.
Yeah.
You want this deja vu?
Yeah. I see myself.
I see myself too.
I see you.
I see me. I see Hong Kong right now.
This is going on YouTube. Right?
Okay, YouTube then. Look it. You did it.
Am I cold? Am I cold?
Oh yeah, because we're just that awesome. Tom, do you have anything to say?
Live as a kid?
You live lively.
Live young. Yeah, there you go. Live young.
Live young. Never get too old.
Screw 2013. It's all about 2014.
This is 2014 now. Almost dropped it.
No. I know we're gonna.
We should put the one we're rolling down the hill in this.
I
Might put in those cuts.
Well, put it in there and now we're rolling like this. Wait, so what are we doing?
I'm taking pictures while the video's going.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because my thing is that close. Okay. So what now?
I don't know.
Actually, I can. Okay, bye.